Hello guys and welcome, this is TheDarkElite here. In this video we'll explore on how Batman fights and never loses and how to fight like him, so let's get to the video. Batman has trained and mastered 128 martial arts. You guys might be thinking, oh I can't, or I don't have the time. Well, you don't have to worry on doing every martial arts. We'll go over the 5 essential martial arts that is suitable in any situation. Martial Art 1. Krav Maga. Krav Maga are designed to neutralize threats quickly and efficiently, aligning with Batman's focus on ending conflicts swiftly. It is effectively used in street fights like guns or knife encounters. Martial Art 2. Karate. Known for its powerful strikes and dynamic movements, karate likely forms a core component of Batman's fighting style, particularly in his use of punches and kicks, and also breaking opponents' bones. Martial Arts 3. Jiu-Jitsu. Both Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ, and traditional Japanese Jiu-Jitsu focus on ground fighting, submissions, and controlling opponents, skills that Batman would find useful in close-quarters combat situations. Martial Arts 4. Boxing. Boxing provides Batman with solid punching techniques, footwork, and defensive maneuvers, enhancing his ability to strike effectively while evading incoming attacks. Martial Arts 5. Judo. Judo emphasizes throws, joint locks, and grappling techniques, which Batman may use to quickly incapacitate opponents or neutralize their attacks. Now it seems intimidating at first, but we'll go over the tips on how to succeed in every martial arts. Tip 1. Practice the basics, do not rush, doing advanced moves first, or you're likely to give up. Tip 2. Dedication. The more you dedicate yourself in doing daily practice, the better. Tip 3. Patience. With great patience, the moves will naturally come to you. Now, your last question will be, I don't have a martial art near me, or I can't afford the money to. Brother, do I have to explain everything for you? With the internet, you can go to free online sources like YouTube, Udemy, etc. Read guidebooks on martial arts. Now I have explained on how to fight like Batman. The finishing step is action. TheDarkElite out.